Brad Williams, XL Prime. This will be a wrap on the transpose. And here's a situation where discretionary. What do I mean by discretionary? You have this data here, and you notice there's a space or a blank or an empty. It looks as though there's nothing in here. You need to transpose this. Well, here we're using an if statement. The if statement says if there's a blank, make sure the blank stays there. Otherwise, before F5. And then we're in brackets and what have you. Seems like a lot of work to me. This is just one example. Copy, hit this right here, transpose. Did we not accomplish the exact same thing without having to put in if statements? The if statement is strictly there to enforce this space. The transpose function does it easily, and we don't have to deal with this Control-Shift-Enter. If I attempt to do this, if I follow this exact same requirement, Excel 2021, do I have to do Control-Shift-Enter? No. If you have to do it, transpose B5 equals enter code value. I don't know why I would need to enter this transpose before this if statement. Let's read my own summary, okay? We transpose this information, but notice the difference here. What happens is transpose as a whole is going to convert this blank into a 0. The question is, do I put this formula in here? I mean, where do you put this? Where do you put this formula? What you do is you have to put in transform. You have to grab this formula. You have to grab this whole thing, and I don't know if I can. Control V, hit enter. You can see what it did. B4 to F5 should be E. Go to E. You can see how it's reaching over its limit there. I don't want it to go that far. So hit there, and then you're going to just have to format it yourself. That seems like a lot of work. All I did was copy paste. I can grab this thing, copy, paste special, transform. There must be a lock over here. Try it here, paste special, edit, copy, paste special. I just converted this over, edit, cut, paste. Is this not the exact same thing as this, Your choice, keep it simple. And if you can get away with just copy paste, then do so. Otherwise, incorporate this. To remember how to get rid of this, you just highlight the entire array and hit delete. And just remember what you deleted. Brad Williams, XL Prime.